Good morning, everyone. Let's hope everyone is well. Welcome to our lesson for today. We are continuing to number 2, completing the table. Right, so we have 1847. Subtract 10, it becomes 1837. Then subtract 100, we get 1747. Then subtract 1000, you get 847. Okay, then the next one, 1680 minus 10, it becomes 1670. Then subtract 100, becomes 1580. Then subtract 1000, it becomes 680. Okay, then 1020, subtract 10, it becomes 1010. Then subtract 100, becomes 920. Then subtract 1000, it becomes 20. Okay. Then we go 1006 minus 10. It becomes 996, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Right, 996. Then subtract 100. Subtract 100 there. Then it becomes 906. Okay. Oh, sorry, I wrote 9,000 there. It's 906. Okay. So let me just write 6 there. 906. Okay. Then subtract 1,000. It becomes 6. Okay. Then we move on. 1,955 minus 10 is 1,945. Okay. Then 1,955 minus 100, it's 1,855. Then 1,955 minus 1,000, it becomes 955. Okay. So that's what we have there. So we are done there. Then we move on to the next example. We have 1,598 minus 356. So the issue here is you collect like terms together. Thousands, they subtract each other. Hundreds, they subtract each other. Then tens, they subtract each other. Then units. So 1,000 had to go down alone. Then 500 is going to subtract 300. Then 90 is going to subtract 50. Then 8 is going to subtract 6. That's what you have there. So at the end, we have 1,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 2. Then we get 1,242. Okay. Then we go to page 93. On page 93, we still have another example here. So on this one, we are going to say 1,000 minus 1,000, then 600 minus 200, then 40 minus 60, then 2 minus 8. Okay. So that's what we have there. So now it becomes 0, then 400. Okay, then plus 40 minus 60 and 2 minus 8. So we borrow 100. We borrow 100 from 400. Then it becomes 140. Then we borrow 10 from 40 again. It becomes what? 12 here. So we have 300 plus 130 minus 60 plus 12 minus 8. Okay. So that's what we have. Then the answer will be 374. Let's see what we can do here. So on this one, we are going to say 1,000. Then plus, in fact, let me try to divide here. Then 900. minus 600. Then I put brackets here, plus 50 minus 40. Okay, or else let me just do it and then erase later. Then plus 3 minus 1. Okay, then we say 1000 plus 900 minus 600 is 300. Then plus 10 plus 2. So the answer is gonna be 1312. That's what we have there. Then on this one, 1784. This one, let me just do like this. Right, okay, so we'll say 1000 plus 700 minus 900 plus 80 minus 30. Then plus 4 minus 3. So the answer will be 1000 plus. Right, okay, so what we're gonna do here first, 700 can't subtract 900. So we are going to borrow 100. We are going to borrow 100. Right, okay, so we are going to say 900 plus not 100, let's borrow 200. Okay, we can borrow 200 there, because even if you borrow 100, it becomes 800. So we are going to say 800 there. The 200 we're gonna give to 700 there, then it becomes 900 minus 900. You see that? Then plus 80 minus 30, it becomes 50. Then plus 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is gonna be 800. 900 minus 900 plus 0. Then plus 50 plus 1. So the answer is gonna be 851. Okay, so that's what we have there. Then we move on to C. At C, we are going to say 1000 minus 1000 plus 900 minus 200 plus 80 minus 50 plus 8 minus 9. So that's what we have there. So 1000 minus 1000 is 0. Then 900 minus 200, 700. Plus 30 plus 8 minus 9. So we will borrow 10 from 30. So it will be 700 plus 20 plus 18 minus 9. So now we have 700 plus 20 plus 9. And the answer will be 729. We are done there. That's your final answer. Okay, 729. So I'll put a demarcation there. Right, then this one D, question D, we are going to say 1000 plus 200 minus 600, then plus 0 minus 80, then plus 4 minus 4. So the answer will be 1000. Oh, in fact, let me just borrow first before I put all that. Right, okay, so I'm going to borrow. If I borrow 100 here, it's not going to be enough because there's 200 there, and 200 is subtracting 600. So I'm going to borrow 400. So 1000 minus 400, it becomes 600. Okay. Plus, there if I add that 400 to 200, it becomes 600 minus 600. Okay. Then plus 0 minus 80. Plus what? 4 minus 4 is 0. Then we are going to have 600. Okay. Plus what? 0 minus what? 80. So in this one, we are going to borrow from 600. We can borrow 80 or 100. Then we are left with what? 500 plus 100 minus 80. Then we are going to have 500 plus 20. Okay, so the answer is 520. That's the answer, 520. Okay, so I think on this one, let's just end on E. E is 1000 minus 1000, then plus 700 minus 300 plus 40 minus 90, then plus 3 minus 9. That's what we have there. So 1000 and 1000 is 0. Then we have 700 minus 300 is 400. Okay, plus what? 40 minus 90, then plus 3 minus 9. That's what we have there. So then we are going to borrow 100 here, then a 10 there. So here if we borrow 100, we will have 300 plus. Then if we add that 100, it becomes 140. Then we borrow 10, it will be 130. 130 minus 90. That 10 we add to 3, then it becomes 13 minus 9. So we are going to have 300 plus 40 plus 4. So the answer will be 344. Done. Okay. So guys, let me say for today, I just want to thank you for cooperating with me. We meet next time.